Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will be showing you guys how you can play the latest game mode on Valorant. It is called the All Random One Site. You can find it here. As you can see, you're able to choose from these weapons. So you are able to choose the sidearms, your weapon for stage 2, your weapon for stage 3, and your weapon for stage 4. You will be assigned a random agent as well, and you'll be given their utility except for their main utility. I'll discuss about the main one later, but basically you won't need to buy any more of your utilities. You just need to get weapons. So if you shoot somebody, your ultimate orb will go up 50%. And it is also the same if you pick up an orb, it's going to go up to 50% as well. So for every kill, you'll get 50% charged ultimate, and for every orb, you'll also get 50% charged for the ultimate. Once the round is over, you will be assigned a different agent. Also, side note, every agent will be different for everyone. You might also get the same agent in the same game, not on the same round obviously, but you might get it in the same game. You might get two of the same agents. And also, if you don't have that agent in your collection, you might still get it in this game. Another thing I want to mention is that only one site is opened. So as you can see right now, site A is closed. So mid is still opened, but you can only play on one site only for this game mode. And that is it for this video. Before I finish, I would like to give a special thank you to my friend for helping me make this video. Obviously, I don't aim like that, and I am not able to utilize all the agents properly, so thank you to him. And yeah, that is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!